Bonjour! We are going to continue working on passé composé, and I just want to remind you about a couple of things. First, it is a tense that it's about the past, any action who happened in the past at a particular moment in the past. That's important to remember the particular moment. Composed of two parts, so you have the auxiliary verb, usually it's the verb avoir, and the past participle of the verb. Again, past participle is when in English you say I have eaten. Eaten is a past participle. Auxiliary is usually avoir. We'll see later that it can be être, but let's not focus on that. And just to recap a little bit, ER verbs, you take the ER and you replace it with the E accent, aigu. IR verb, you take the IR and you replace it with I or E in French. And RE verbs, you take the RE and you're just going to replace with the U. We're going to concentrate on irregular past participle today. Okay, so those verbs, avoir, to have, we need to have an auxiliary plus a past participle. So if you say I had an accident, you will say I have had an accident. And it will be j'ai eu un accident. Past participle, it's eu. The verb être, to be, it's going to still have to have the verb avoir in front, and the past participle is été. So if you want to say I have been to Raleigh, you will say j'ai été à Raleigh. This verb to be, être, in the past tense is kind of special in French because a lot of people are going to use that verb instead of the verb to go. So if you want to say I went to China, you will say in French I have been to China, who will become j'ai été en Chine. Verbe faire, so to do or to make, again avoir, past participle fait. So I did my homework, j'ai fait mes devoirs, I made a cake, j'ai fait un gâteau. Verbe venir, to come, and so again avoir plus verb venu. She came yesterday. In French, she has came yesterday. Elle a venu hier. Actually, this verb should not be there, so let's forget about this one. So this one, verbe prendre, verbe avoir, past participle, pris. I took a steak at the restaurant. You will say I have taken a steak instead of I had a steak. So j'ai pris un steak. If you want to say I understood, you will say I have understood. Verbe comprendre, so it becomes j'ai compris. I learned a lot. J'ai appris beaucoup. So compris, appris, et pris. To run, yesterday I ran, so you say j'ai couru. Mettre, which is to put or to put on, or sometimes to set the table. So the past participle is mis. She set the table yesterday. Elle a mis la table. She put on her shoes. Elle a mis des chaussures. So I read a book yesterday or last week. We'll do last week. La semaine dernière, j'ai lu un livre. Lu. Voir, like in déjà vu, already seen. So let's say she has already seen that movie. Elle a déjà vu ce film. Okay, boire. Yesterday I drank a glass of wine. J'ai bu un verre de vin hier soir, yesterday evening. Or you can say yesterday evening I drank a glass of wine. Hier soir, j'ai bu un verre de vin. And the verb dire would mean to say or to tell. So for example, he told the truth. Il a dit la vérité. So again, past participle, eu, été, fait, we'll skip that one, compris, appris and pris, couru, mis, lu, vu, bu, dit. So practice those eu, été, fait, compris, appris, pris, couru, mis, lu, vu, bu, dit. And then we're going to try a few exercises. All right, and this exercise, I'm going to let you try by yourself to say it, and then I'm going to give you the chance to repeat after me. So if you want to say, I had some luck, or in English we'll say, I was lucky, what would you say? So let's try that together. You will say, j'ai eu de la chance. J'ai eu de la chance. So they saw a friend in town. And it will become elles ont vu. I'm making the liaison between the S and the ONT. So it will become elles ont vu un ami en ville. And notice how much I emphasis on the subject verb to have. So I understand that it's a past tense. Elles ont vu un ami en ville. You were sick yesterday, or you've been sick yesterday, as we say in French. So you will say, and it will be, tu as été malade hier? Tu as été malade hier? And we took a taxi. And it will be, nous avons pris un taxi. Nous avons pris un taxi. And I make the liaison between the S of nous and the R of avons. So it becomes, nous avons pris un taxi. You want to say where? Where did I put my pen? And this one will be, où est-ce que j'ai mis mon stylo? Où est-ce que j'ai mis mon stylo? What did he do? And that one would be, qu'est-ce qu'il a fait? Qu'est-ce qu'il a fait? If you want, they say that it was a good movie. And it would be, elles ont dit que c'était un bon film. Elles ont dit que c'était un bon film. And that last one, what did you say? It would be, qu'est-ce que tu as dit? Qu'est-ce que tu as dit? Now let's try in the negation. You will see the negative verbs at ne pas avoir. You know that the ne pas goes between the verb avoir. So you will say, I have not had any chance instead of I was not lucky. So let's try the first one. And it becomes, je n'ai pas eu de chance. I hope you were able to put the J apostrophe into the E and the de la chance into de. But if you did not, no big deal. Je n'ai pas eu de chance. So they did not see a friend in town. Again, the un should come becomes de. So let's try. So elles n'ont pas vu d'amis en ville. Le un becomes D apostrophe. Elles n'ont pas vu d'amis en ville. I was not sick yesterday. I have not been sick yesterday. So it becomes, je n'ai pas été malade hier. Try it. Je n'ai pas été malade hier. We didn't take a taxi. So you should be able to manipulate the un to the deux here. will become nous n'avons pas pris de taxi. Nous n'avons pas pris de taxi. You didn't put any shorts on, so it become vous n'avez pas mis de short. Vous n'avez pas mis de short. Going a little faster would be vous n'avez pas mis de short. He didn't do any sport yesterday, didn't do any sport last year, and it's very specific time, so it becomes il n'a pas fait de sport. Il n'a pas fait de sport. They did not read the newspaper. Le here doesn't change because it's only change for un, une, des, du, de la, etc. Le, la, les stay the same in the negation. Try it. And it becomes elles n'ont pas lu le journal. Elles n'ont pas lu le journal. And here you did not say the truth. It will be tu n'as pas dit la vérité. Tu n'as pas dit la vérité. I hope this helped and that you will continue to do your review.